Alright, if you look at my personal withdrawal, my accumulated personal income over here, look at it over here, you see that I've made, so far so good, I've made 268.74 US dollars over here in this particular update. And if you look at my wallet balance here, that is my available balance, which I can easily withdraw right now, you see that I'm currently having $72.94, which is in Nigerian currency. In Nigerian currency, it's worth 54,711 naira. Woo! So this is a very good platform which have been making money for me every single day. It's automated, as in it's making money for me while I'm watching videos, while I'm online, while I'm offline, while I'm even sleeping. So this is one of the biggest platforms so far. And in case you don't know me, my name is Zubi King, and this is my channel where I make couples of videos of things that have worked for me on how to make money online. This is not just how to make money online that you will see online, you try it out and it's not for you. I'm talking about something that have already worked for me, the things I've done on YouTube, on crypto space, especially my crypto space, on my online hustle that have worked for me. And I normally do live withdrawal, and I show you guys the proofs and how to do this work for you. So if you're looking for a way to make legit money online, not just something that will make you go and try it out and you fail it, I think you are in the right channel. So what you have to do for me now is to click on this button that says subscribe to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Now you're my followers, and then the next thing you have to do is to make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you will be getting notifications from YouTube whenever I upload any big updates like this. So in today's video, we are going to talk about AI mining, and this video is for both the people that are doing AI, are using AI mining to make money online, or maybe you have come across AI mining, or you have signed up but you have not started making money from it. I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to open your eyes on things about AI mining. So all you have to do is to grab your popcorn, or grab your water, or grab your juice, anything that will make you comfortable watching a YouTube video to learn something. Grab it up, keep it one side, and learn from this particular video. So first of all, for those of you that doesn't know about AI mining, you have to follow the link in the description of this video to start off with AI mining. This is one of the biggest platforms of making money online that have lasted for a year, and I will never ever allow anybody to miss it out. All I have to do is to make video on it, and it's your choice to make money from it or watch others do. So what do you have to do? For those of you that are new to AI mining, you have to use your WhatsApp number to sign up to AI mining. And bear it in mind that AI mining used to be for Nigerians only, but it's now almost global. Everybody around the world can use AI mining. So what you have to do is to first of all follow the link in the description. Make sure you are using your WhatsApp number. Follow the link in the description to sign up to AI mining. And once you're done signing up to AI mining, log into your account, and instantly your account is gonna look like this, but there is no money in your account. So first of all, for the first 10 days that you sign up to AI mining, they're gonna be giving you a miner that is gonna be mining for you free. So all you have to do is to click on this finger icon over here, this place that is showing finger icon. Click on it, and it's gonna give you a free miner, which is gonna cost you 0 naira, 0 kobo, as in $0, 0 cents, and it will be giving you 0.25 cents every single day. So all you have to do is to click on this place that says buy at discount price of $0, 0 kobo. And once you're done buying it, sorry for that. Once you're done buying it, next thing you have to do is to go back to your account and go over to this place that says miner warehouse. Click on it. The miner that you just bought is gonna be on this non-activated here. So once you're done with it, next thing you have to do is to click on activation. Click on activation, and it's gonna activate successfully for you. And that is the first step you are gonna do, and which they did it for you for free. So before going back to what you need to do, let me show you guys why you need to join AI mining. For those of you that are afraid to start using AI mining, maybe this is one of the scam sites that have scammed you or scammed your friend. No, this is one thing that even Sabinus, the famous comedian that we all know, is already promoting and is using AI mining to cash out right now. So watch this video for you to see it by yourself.
Okay guys, AI mining is a company that helps you get income.
So I'm not gonna play this video till end so that I will not get a copyright claim or strike on my video. But I will leave the link of this video to the description of this video for you to watch it. Look at it over here. It's Mr. Funny's real Instagram account, the main Instagram account. This is not a fake Instagram account. This is his verified Instagram account, and not only Mr. Sabinus. There are a lot of Instagram influencers, YouTube influencers, Facebook influencers that are also cashing out from AI mining, and this is one of the reasons you will not need to leave AI mining or not participate in AI mining to start making money for you, as an automated making money for you. This is AI bot making money for you. So since I've showed you guys the reason why you need to not to miss AI mining, let me now lead you guys through on what to do to start earning money from AI mining. First of all, once you're done doing it and you have done signing up to your account, you're gonna go ahead and click on this place that says miner center. So let's go over to miner center to see the miners that are available for us. So as for this one, this particular first miner which you need to buy is gonna cost you total of $21. But hey, I'm doing a giveaway here. Instead of it's costing you $21, I'm gonna give you $1 miner. All you have to do is to have this 20 USDT on your account. That is $20 on your account, and you can instantly chat me up on WhatsApp. Join my WhatsApp group, chat me up, and I'm gonna give you the free miner for free. This particular miner level 1, which you're supposed to buy at $1, I'm gonna give it to you for free. It's limited, so join fast and come to me via WhatsApp, and I'm gonna give it to you instant. So let's assume that you bought it and you want to buy it from this place. All you have to do is to click on buy here and click on buy a discount of $1. So once you're done with it, go over to your account and go over to your miner warehouse and activate it. It will be on this non-activated, so you have to click on this place that says activated. So for the one that I'm using miner 2. But before going to the miner that I'm using, let me show you guys how to deposit. If you click on this place that says deposit here, you can, if you don't have a crypto account, or maybe you don't have up to that $20 on your crypto account, you can still select the amount that you want to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit $21. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on 21. You can choose to deposit with crypto, you can choose to deposit with bank transfer. So all you have to do is to click on bank transfer, and don't worry, you're not gonna use your bank card, so nobody is gonna scam you with your bank card. All you have to do is to click on bank transfer, click on confirm, and I'm gonna give you the account number to transfer your money. Once you're done transferring it, it's gonna tell you successfully, and boom, you have transferred money to your account. So you can choose to select. You can go over to the miner center over here and look at the miner that is you need. So this particular one, first miner is gonna be giving you 34 cents every single day for the next 20 days. And after 20 days, that $20 that you use to compute it, as in the $20 for computing power, is gonna come back to your account instantly. And you can still choose to withdraw even before that 20 days. You can still choose to deactivate your miner and start withdraw even before that 30 days. So the second miner, which is the actual one I'm using, is gonna be giving me around $1.17 maximum every single day, and the cost is $3, while the deposit for computing power is $67. So in other words, it's gonna cost you $70 in total for you to start using this particular miner, and that is what I'm using. And each and every single day I'm earning up to $1.17 every single day. You can also choose this, check out the miner 3 and miner 4 and miner 5 also. They are about to launch this miner 6. So you can, if you go over to my miner warehouse now, you see that I have couples of miners which I'm ready to give out to limited people that want to activate their account. So let's go over to activated. You see that I don't have activated here. That is because I suspended my miner and all my money came back to my account. So you can choose to activate your miner anytime and deactivate it. So if you click on this suspended here, you see the numbers of miners that I have suspended over here. I used to use this miner level 3 and it have given me $44. So this is the miner 2 that I'm using. All you have to do now is to click on activate, and you see that it's activated successfully. So if you go over to my activators account now, you see that I'm now having miner number 2 that I have activated, and this miner have yield for me $13 without even doing anything. All I have to do is to do this same thing that I showed you guys on this video, and it's gonna work out for you. So if you buy a new miner, it's gonna be on this non-activated. Then if you click on activation, as far as you have up to that amount that we miner level 1 is going to cost you $20, miner level 2 is going to cost you $67 to activate it. So once you have that amount to activate it, it's going to be reflecting in your account just like my own right now. As you can see, once I activate my miner, it's going to deduct the activating miner power from my account, and my balance is gonna be the rest of my money. So for withdrawal, all you have to do, in case you want to withdraw, minimum withdrawal is $4 $4. So click on this place that says withdrawal and enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is $4, and I'm having $5 here. I don't want to withdraw because they're gonna still charge me $1 per each withdrawal. Any amount that I want to withdraw, they are gonna charge me $1. So once you're done with it, but first of all, make sure that you have linked your wallet address. Click on this place that says my wallet address here, and you can add any wallet address. Click on this place to add any wallet address of your choice. As you can see, I have my Binance wallet address, my Trust wallet address, my other wallet, my Super wallet address, and my last Trust wallet address. So this is the wallet address that I'm normally used to withdraw. And if you go over to my record of deposit and withdrawal here, if you go over to my withdrawal, you see that I've made couples of withdrawal here, many withdrawals here. Look at it over here, 356, 11, 24, and every other thing. So I've been withdrawing from this particular platform for the couple of months that I'm using it. Don't miss AI mining. If you want to know more about it, you can check out, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can come to WhatsApp and ask me more about AI mining. Remember, AI mining is making money for you without you even doing anything. All you have to do is to set up your accounts and start earning money just like I'm earning. I think I've shown you guys all you need to know about this particular video. And here you can also earn from referrals. As you can see, every single day I'm earning $2 from referral, from my referral, and so far so good. I've referred around 870 people who do 90% of them are just free referrals. They didn't activate the account, so I'm not earning anything from them. But the ritual ones that I'm earning from, I'm earning around just 14% of whatever they are earning so far every day. So referral bonus is also good. If you can refer people, and you can earn more. I think I've showed you guys all you need to know about this particular platform. If you want to know more about it, or you're still confused on anything, you can ask their customer service, or if you want to ask someone that you want to ask me, you can also come to my DM on WhatsApp. I'm free to ask questions, as far as you're not there to ask me for money. I'm just come to me and ask me for clarifications on the update that I shared. I'm gonna give it to you guys. See you guys on my next video on that and free money making. Bye.